Okay, I finally did it. This is delicious. Fettuccine Alfredo. Yes, I had some certain seasonings in there, as you can see. It's definitely a restaurant quality. This definitely tastes better than the La Bella Italian and grill restaurant that I did a video on. So this is better than the Alfredo. I keep trying things, seeing what I could do in the future, but so far I like the way I did it this time. And yeah, I said cooking is my, other than animation, cooking is my, well, actually running and cooking. Running is my natural talent. I'm a naturally fast runner, and then I like to cook. But I never went to culinary arts. I was told I should, but spent all those years going to school for animation instead of culinary arts. But I do like to cook as well. That's my other art, is cooking. So this is definitely restaurant quality. Right now I'm watching The Sandman, season 2, episode 2. So they're in hell right now. Yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to share this little video. It does taste amazing. Can you guess what I added? I'll reveal it someday. Maybe when I start a restaurant, who knows? And yeah, I dropped the phone. I may add it in. I accidentally dropped the phone. My hands are slippery from cooking. I dropped it, almost went directly. Some of it went in, but it went in and bounced out. It almost went into the pan while it was cooking when I was taking pictures. So, but good old alcohol, clean the phone off and it's good again. So there you go. All right, thanks for watching.